All right, so let's do a full functional walkthrough of what it's like to have multiple pop-ups on a page and what that experience looks like. So I'm gonna post in. So this is a landing page for an underwear site that we work with, and this one is a landing page with a scroll. So we get down here, we do a little bit of reading. We're able to read some of the value props, and then our scroll comes out kind of right as we get to the bottom. And now on desktop, it doesn't take over everything, which is great. So we can go ahead and I'm going to close out of this one. But it still allows you to see a lot of the page and get through most of the value points on that one. So when I go here, we have a special offer here, but I'm going to go click on one of these guys. We're going to go to a normal products page. So here, remember, we have a 45-second uh, scroll on this guy. So we're going to be here and it gives us enough time to go through the page to understand all the details that we need, to watch a video of stuff, start a video, look at what makes them different, what's great for the wearer, check out some FAQs, even make our way down all the way into the reviews and be able to take a look at these and read some of the reviews. 45 seconds is a surprisingly long amount of time, which gives you plenty of time to stay invested in understanding and learning about stuff. And by the time you're here making a decision, you get the pop up that comes out. So this pop up converts at roughly over 40%, which is pretty crazy. But you can understand if you're spending a long enough period of time on this page, it kind of makes sense that this would have such a high opt in rate. I'm going to close this guy out. For most people coming from paid, those are the only two pop-ups they're going to see because on their way coming through, they will have gone their way and they will come through paid, click on a product page, and then they'll get that after 45 seconds. So it's a good way to just remind them. And then as you guys saw, 45 seconds is a pretty good amount of time. Now there's a bunch of other pop-ups on this page. We have one on the home page, which is a standard one at 8 seconds. So if someone was to work their way back to the home page and see what else was there, they would go through here and then they would have that same pop-up. But once again, it's not in your face, it's not in the middle. That is the second to last one. The only other pop-up would happen is if someone came here and went through the quiz, answered the questions, and then was redirected to one of these pages. And then from here, they would go through the same exercise, much like the landing pages, and then you'd see the offer pop out. So people that have gone through the quiz and gone through here and filled this out actually convert at close to 50%. So you're never going to see all of the pop-ups and the slide outs, but if they're done correctly and in a way that's in line with what the customer journey is, based on how they go through it, giving them the option to opt in and take advantage of a discount is not a bad thing. Remember the open rate on a pop-up is 100%. Everyone sees them. So it's about repetition and making sure people are aware that they have multiple chances to take on an offer.